This is the solution video for Unit 3 review problem number 32. Let f be the function given by f of x equals e to the 2x divided by 5x. Find the value of x for which the slope of the tangent to the graph of f at x comma f of x is 3. Round to the nearest thousandth. All right, so as soon as we see round to the nearest thousandth, we have to realize that this means it's a calculator question. Find the value of x for which the slope of the tangent. Remember, slope of the tangent must prompt you to think of derivative, right? So derivative, all right, is 3. So what does that mean? We want to know when is f prime of x equal to 3, or for what value of x. So solve for x. Now remember, this is a calculator question. So find f prime. All right, so f prime of x, we have a quotient, right? So quotient rule, 5x times the derivative of e to the 2x. So e to the 2x times the derivative of 2x, which is 2, minus e to the 2x times the derivative of 5x, which is 5, all divided by the denominator of 5x quantity squared. All right, and so now what we want to do is we want to just rewrite this briefly, right? 5x times 2, so 10x e to the 2x minus 5 e to the 2x, all divided by 5x squared, right? And we want to know when is this thing equal to 3, right? So we want to solve for x. And so this is a calculator question. And so what did I say? We needed to plug this in on our calculator. All right, so on our calculator, 10x e to the 2x minus 5 e to the 2x. All right, so I'm going to type this. So we have parentheses, 10x, and then e to the 2x. Okay, and then we need to get out of the power, minus 5 e to the 2x. All right, then we need to close parentheses on the numerator divided by the quantity 5x squared. Remember, you need to make sure there's parentheses around that 5x so that the whole thing is getting squared. All right, and so now what do we want to know? We want to know when this thing equals 3. So then we have to graph 3 as well. And then we hit graph, and then we want to see where these things intersect. All right, and so you can see that they intersect there between 1 and 2. And so then you would use second trace intersect, so number 5. All right, and then it says first curve. Now, you can't hit enter here because right now you're at x equals 0, which is a vertical asymptote. So you actually have to press to the right or something to get on the first curve. So first curve, is that y1? Yes. So hit enter. Y2, yes, is 3. So now guess. Well, you could type in like 1.5, but since there's only one point of intersection, it doesn't matter. All right, so now there's only one point of intersection, and that happens to be at x equals 1.395. And so remember, you want to round to 3 decimal places. And so you get that x is equal to 1.396.